They say how you coming, peach, I'm only coming with that hot shit. That block shit make niggas drop their top shit. That mob shit make niggas grab their Glocks quick. Roll it up, puff puff past them hog it. My clique, we cutthroats on bullshit. Blood thick, play with me, lay in a dog ditch. Hot bitch with thick hips and big lips. And I ain't fucking with a nigga if he ain't rich. I diss niggas if he ain't talking about Benjamins. Matter of fact, you got in front of him and some of his friends get more ends. MOE to the very end. Aspirations include me driving black Benz with some bad bitches blowing kisses to hating hoes. Swagger so sticky, more dick than a nasty hole. Won't count ones, leave that the pole dancing hoes. You got stacks on stacks, we make a mingo. My niggas cold like polar bears in the North Pole. I like them light skinned, dark skinned, authentic. No pretending to be the best, it's not a choice. Next year I might be driving in the Rolls Royce. Look at the price tag, see what I spent on it. They say it's a recession, I'm still getting money. I see a booting up, I make it happen. In the words of Soulja Slim, and I ain't rapping